So this is your English session going on, class 6, Annie with an E. And we will be doing today the exercise part of it. And we are definitely going to discuss the question answers again if you want me to. Straight away come to the page number 6161. Come to page number 6161. Read this passage. Ismail and Sheila have two children, Aisha and Anu. Aisha is married to Deepak and they have a son, Anil, and a daughter, Zeenat. Anu is married to James and their son is named Peter. Fill in the blanks with the correct word using apostrophes where needed. Okay? Ismail and Sheila are Aisha's and Anu's, A-N-U apostrophe S. A-N-U apostrophe S. Anu's parent. Deepak's apostrophe क्या होता है? ये ऊपर एक आपको सिंगल डैश दिखाई दे रहा है, that is known as apostrophe. तो आप यहाँ पर fill करेंगे A-N-U, then simple one apostrophe and then S. Anu's. Deepak's wife's W-I-F-E apostrophe S name is Aisha. Deepak and Aisha's children names are Anil and Zeenat. Their son-in-law's name is James and their daughter's name is Anu. Peter is Anil and Zeenat's cousin. I'm repeating this again. Ismail and Sheila are Aisha's and Anu's parent. Deepak's wife's name is Aisha. Deepak and Aisha's children names are Anil and Zeenat. Their son-in-law's name is James and their daughter's name is Anu. Peter is Anil and Zeenat's cousin. Okay, this is what your exercise is all about. Then we are going to do the next exercise, filling the blanks with the correct words from the box. You can repeat some of the words. Okay. So the words are given: the, a, her, my, this, and your. You can repeat these words. You can use them again. Okay, not once, but again. Okay. It was a broad daylight when Annie woke up and sat up in the bed, staring at the window. For a moment. For a moment, she could not remember where she was. Then Annie dropped on her knees, and gazed out through the window. Her eyes full of delight, she was startled by a hand on her shoulder. I am going to repeat this part one again. It was a broad daylight, and when Annie awoke and sat up in bed, staring at the window for a moment, she could not remember where she was. Then Annie dropped on her knees and gazed through the window. Her eyes were full of delight. She was startled by a hand on her shoulder. Annie decided, I have made up my mind to enjoy the drive, THE. You can nearly always enjoy things if you make up your YOUR, your mind firmly that you will. I'm not going to think about anything else during this, THIS, this drive. I'm just going to think about the drive, THE. I'm repeating this. And he decided, I have made up my mind to enjoy the drive. THE. You can nearly always enjoy the things if you make up your mind firmly that you will. I'm not going to think about anything else during this this drive. I'm just going to think about the drive. Okay. So the words you have just now filled up are called determiners. Okay. So this is what your exercise is all about. Then come to the next page, which is page number 6 to 62. Okay. Now, this exercise we are going to do. It would be more to the point if you could say she was a useful little thing, retorted Marilla. But I will make it my business to see she is trained to be that. And mind, Matthew, you are not going to go interfering with my methods. I'm repeating this section. It would be more to the point if you could say she was a useful little thing, retorted Marilla. But I will make it my business to see she is trained to be that. And mind, Matthew, you are not going to go interfering with my methods. Okay. Now we are moving on to the next section. Perhaps an old maid doesn't know much about bringing up a child, but I guess she knows more than an old bachelor. So you just leave me to manage her. When I will fail, it will be time to put your oar in. I'm repeating this section. Perhaps an old maid doesn't know much about the bringing up a child, but I guess she knows more than an old bachelor. So you just leave me to manage her. When I fail, it will be time enough to put your your oar in. There, Marilla, you can have your your own way, said Matthew reassuringly. Only be as good and kind to her as you can without spoiling her. I kind of think she is one of a sort you can do anything with if you only get her to love you. Marilla sniffed to express her contempt for Matthew's opinion concerning anything feminine. Okay, I'm repeating this section. There, Marilla. You can have your own way, said Matthew reassuringly. Only be as good and kind to her as you can without spoiling her. I kind of think she is one of a sort you can do anything with if you only get her to love you. Marilla sniffed to express her contempt for Matthew's opinion concerning anything feminine. Right? So we are moving to the next section, practice grammar. J section, read these newspaper headlines. This says, India celebrates Republic Day. Japan's new world champion. India wins gold. Boy turns savior. Robots to perform surgeries. Girl breaks record. Now these are the newspaper headlines. आपने ये headlines newspaper में देखी हुई होंगी. ठीक है, तो ये आपको headline दी हुई है. अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको इन headline को proper sentences में change करना है. ठीक है, so हम इनमें कुछ words add करेंगे so that they could be changed into the proper sentences. Take turn to change the headlines into the proper sentences. Remember, you will have to change some words. आपको कुछ words change करने पड़ सकते हैं. Okay. So now the first one is India celebrates Republic Day. So to make a proper sentence, we are going to use some of the words. Okay. India is celebrating its Republic Day. India is celebrating its Republic Day. Japan's new world champion. Japan is the new world champion. Japan is the new world champion. India wins gold. India won a gold medal. India won a gold medal. Then boy turns savior. A boy turned savior. A boy turned, T-U-R-N-E-D, turned savior. Robots to perform surgeries. Robots will be performing surgeries. Robots will be performing surgeries. Girl breaks record. A girl broke the record. A girl broke the record. Okay, Manasvi Dang, your hand is raised up. Yes, do you have something to say?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Manasvi. Yes.
मैम मेरे को fill in the blanks का fifth समझ नहीं आया.
कौन से वाले filling the blanks बच्चे? Which one?
मैम वो
G section
Yes, ma'am.
or H
Ma'am.
section? Which one?
मैम G section.
G section. See, first of all, Manasvi, that you have to use the apostrophe. जैसे यहाँ पे रवीज कार दिया हुआ रॉबिन्सन्स होम, कबीर एंड किरन्स, तो आपको apostrophe लगा के यहाँ पे वर्ड्स को फिल करना है. ठीक है. सो अब आपको ऑलरेडी एक पैराग्राफ ऊपर दिया हुआ है which says Ismail and Sheila have 2 children, आयशा एंड अनु. तो इस्माइल एंड शीला के 2 बच्चे हैं जिनका नाम आयशा एंड अनु है. आयशा is married to Deepak and they have a son Anil and a daughter Zina. Anu is married to James and their son name is Peter. So now this information is given to you. Now you have to fill up the filling the blanks. Ismail and Sheila are Aisha's and Anu's parent. आयशा और अन्नू के पेरेंट हैं इस्माइल और शीला. दीपक्स वाइफ्स नेम इज आयशा. दीपक एंड आयशा's children names are Anil and Zeenat. Their son-in-law's name is James and their daughter name is Anu. Daughter's name is Anu. Peter is Anil and Zeenat cousin. Peter is Anil and Zeenat's cousin. Okay. So coming back to the section, we have done this section. So this whole page is completed. So now we are going.
This is not 7.
Okay, so we are going to move on the E section, which says that use these phrases in sentences of your own. Okay, although I'm going to make sentences for you, but I would prefer if you make these sentences, right? मैं तो बना ही दूंगी sentences, लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप इसको अपने वर्ड्स में बनाएंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द मीनिंग ऑफ द फ्रेजेस. मुहावरों के फ्रेज का मतलब मुहावरे. ओके, सो मैं फ्रेजेस के मीनिंग आपको बता रही हूँ एंड यू आर गोइंग टू मेक द सेंटेंसेस. And if you want to say it, you just have to raise your hand so that I can take up your sentence. Burst into tears. यानी बहुत जोर जोर से रोना. So make the sentence from burst into tears. How are you going to make the sentence burst into tears? See, for a little girl, छोटी सी बच्ची के लिए, that frock was too big for a little girl आम्या. एक छोटी सी बच्ची के लिए ये फ्रॉक बहुत बड़ी है. burst into tears means कि बहुत जोर से रोना. ठीक है. So yes, Dhananjay want to say something. Yes, Dhananjay beta.
The owner of the company burst into tears when he knew that his company was bankrupt.
Very good. The owner of the company burst into the tears when he knew that the company was bankrupt. कंपनी का ओनर जो है वो रोने लग गया जब उसको ये समझ में आया कि उसकी कंपनी जो है वो बैंकरप्ट हो गई है, यानी उसका दिवालिया निकल गया है. इससे भी इजी सेंटेंस अगर बनाए तो द हंग्री बेबी बर्स्ट इनटू टीयर्स. ठीक है. Hungry baby burst into tears. Then on the table के ऊपर. Apart from Dhananjay, I want other students to join in making the sentences. Dhananjay के अलावा और कोई student जो sentences बनाए. Dhananjay is continuously raising his hand for the sentences. Apart from Dhananjay, anyone else? Dhananjay, would you like to try? Okay. The books were arranged on the table. Manaswi Dam.
My book on the table.
My book was kept on the table. मेरी book table के ऊपर रखी हुई थी. Then next to it, बगल में रखा.
हाँ बताए.
Next to it, the fruit basket was in the kitchen and Kamal kept vegetable next to it. The next one is on the farm. Farm के अंदर. So, will you try to make the sentence? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone would try to make the sentence? Okay. Abdul kept hens and duck on the farm. Yes, Kapil? Yes, Kapil? Yes, Kapil?
मैम मैंने उसके लिए सेंटेंस बनाया था.
किसके लिए बनाया था आपने? On the farm.
मैम
हाँ,
on
बोलिए.
the farm.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलिए.
Ma'am, the farmer is working on the farm.
The farmer is working on the farm. Perfect sentence, Kapil. Very good. Very good. So now with another smile. Okay. So with another smile. Would you try to make sentence with another smile? Kapil, you want to make say something? Yes, Kapil?
Hello, yes ma'am. Ma'am, Anil go in the room and come with another smile.
Again, please repeat your sentence. There is lots of noise in your background.
Yes ma'am. Anil goes in the room and come with another smile.
Okay. So yes, Kapil, your sentence is absolutely right. Some name, Abdul goes into the room and come out with another smile, or the chief guest gave away the prizes with another smile. The chief guest gave away the prizes with another smile. At the child. At the child. Okay. Apart from Kapil and Daksh, Dhananjay, anyone else who can make the sentence? Daksh. Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, look at the child.
Look at the child. Absolutely right. Look at the child. Or the old woman smiled at the child. Okay. Then into the house. Into the house. Can anyone try to make the sentence with into the house? Okay, Kapil. Yes.
The fruits are kept into the house.
The fruits are kept into the house. Okay. Dhananjay also want to make the sentence. Yes, Dhananjay beta.
मैम मैंने ये इनटू द हाउस के लिए भी एक बनाया था इसका.
हाँ बोलो बेटा बोलो कोई बात नहीं बोलो. Into the
The burglars breaked into the house.
again.
The burglars
Uh,
breaked into the house.
very good. The burglars break into the house. Very right. Absolutely right. Okay. At the orphanage. ऑर्फनेज क्या होता है? अनाथालय, जहां पर जिन बच्चों के पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हैं वो बच्चे रहते हैं. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम धनंजय एंड कपिल, आई वांट अदर स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो टू मेक द सेंटेंस. ऋषिका, will you try? Divyam, will you try? Will you try to make the sentence? Kapil, your hand is still raised. Okay, Kapil. Yes, Kapil.
There is a party at front of the
Orphanage. Very good, Kapil. There's a party at the orphanage. There is a feast at the orphanage. You can write anything. Feast यानी बड़ा खाना, बहुत बड़ा सा खाना जिसमें खूब सारी dishes होती हैं. That is known as feast. Or there is a party at the orphanage. Okay. So this was your chapter. I will be sending your assignments and question answers and exercises shortly. Apart from the exercises, do you have any doubt in the chapter? Let me know. Kapil, your hand is raised. You want to say something? Dhananjay. Yes, Dhananjay beta.
मैम पर आप ये क्लियर कर दो कि हमें कौन सा वर्क कॉपी एंड बुक बोथ में करना है या फिर जो बुक में
अच्छा,
करना है.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही बात है. कि कौन सा वर्क मुझे कॉपी में करना है और कौन सा वर्क मुझे बुक में रखना है। सो सी, आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 विच इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर, बुक में ही रखना है। फिर वर्क इन पेयर्स एंड डिस्कस दिस इन आंसर्स, तो इसमें आपको आंसर लिखने पड़ेंगे, इसलिए आपको कॉपी में करना होगा, तो बी पार्ट आपको कॉपी में करना है। देन कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 60 which is answer these question, again आपको कॉपी में करना है। use these phrases in sentences of your own, you have to do this in the copy. Then read the passage and fill in the blanks, this you have to do it in the book itself, you don't have to note it down in the copy. Okay, तो G section H section book में ही करना है। Then come to the next page में I section बुक में ही करना है, आपको कॉपी में नहीं करना है। J सेक्शन आपको कॉपी में ही करना है। ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। आपको J सेक्शन और E, D एंड B ये तीनों सेक्शन कॉपी में करने हैं। Anything else you want to ask? Anything else you want to ask? एक्सरसाइज में या चैप्टर में कोई डाउट हो तो बताइए। Anything? Anything? Okay. So this was the whole chapter. You will be getting your digital copies of the solution shortly, and you can just check your answers with it. Although I have discussed the answers with you all people, but still if you want to go through the answers once more, you can go. The digital copies are going to be there. You can note it down the question answers from that digital copy in your copy. Okay, and make the PDF and send it to me, right, of the copy. Okay, so okay, this was all about the session. Thank you.